quiz and facts. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. How much oxygen does a person consume per hour? A person consumes approximately 50 litres of oxygen per hour and 16 kilin per day. This amount may vary depending on physical activity, health condition, and other factors. What gas is most abundant in the air? The most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen, N2, which accounts for about 78% of the mass of dry air. Oxygen, O2, is the next most abundant gas, present at levels of 20 to 21%. In the air, there is also a small amount of other gases, such as carbon dioxide, neon, and hydrogen. How many bacteria are in the air? There are over 1,800 species of bacteria in the air. These microorganisms, called bioaerosols, can be safe for humans or dangerous to their health. What is the speed of air molecules? The average speed of air molecules is about 500 meters per second. This value is greater than the speed of sound, 340 meters per second. Each molecule has 3 degrees of translational motion, up and down, left and right, and forward and backward. At room temperature, the average speed of air molecules is comparable to the speed of a rifle bullet. Where is the highest air pressure? Air exerts pressure on the Earth's surface. You feel high pressure at sea level because of all the atmosphere pressing down on you. At the top of a mountain, the pressure is lower because there is less atmosphere. What does air protect the Earth from? The air protects us from meteorites. When they enter the atmosphere, they burn up when they hit the air and often break into small pieces before they reach the Earth's surface. The 3 minutes without air rule is a good guideline. Holding your breath longer than that can cause brain damage. However, some people, such as professional divers, can hold their breath much longer. For example, free-diving record holder Stig Severinsen held his breath for 22 minutes in 2012, setting a world record that has yet to be broken. How do the pros do it? It depends on their preparation, training, and physiology. Where is the oxygen minimum zone? The oxygen minimum zone, OMZ, sometimes called the shadowed zone, is an area in seawater where oxygen levels are at their lowest. This zone is typically found at depths of between 200 and 1,000 meters, depending on local conditions. Is it possible to create artificial air? Yes, it is possible to create artificial air. It usually consists of a mixture of gases similar to those we breathe. For example, space stations use air regeneration systems that capture carbon dioxide and enrich the air with oxygen. Also, laboratories and medical institutions use special devices to create clean air. What does the air smell like? In fact, the air we breathe is odorless. However, in some cases, such as when there are scents of flowers, trees, or other substances, the air may have a pleasant smell. After a thunderstorm in the mountains or near ozonizers, we can smell the ozone. The ozone smell is a characteristic aroma associated with ozone. Ozone, O3, is a molecule consisting of 3 oxygen atoms. Its smell is reminiscent of freshness and purity and can be felt after a thunderstorm or near electrical discharges. Thanks for liking and subscribing to the channel. Your comment will inspire us.